Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark. We're back here for the afternoon call. It is Friday, so it's going to be brief. A week. It was a tough week in my book. I know I'm normally don't put my bear cap on that much. I'm a much better bull trader in general. Had to be flexible. Still a challenging week overall. Sentiment possibly has changed. We didn't start earnings yet, so I think you're going to still see, stocks are going to sort of dictate how this market, plays itself out. We have done a nice pullback. Is it still shortable? We'll have to wait and see. It seems like rotation is happening more to the downside than the upside. And as I said, I don't know if it's necessarily the best shorting area right here. We're down, oscillators are down almost to 40. One more day down is probably a buying opportunity. But I've been saying that now for a few days. And then obviously when we get that rally, 2-3 days after that, you probably will have another opportunity to short. I didn't think it was going to happen yesterday morning so quickly. So overall, some damage was done this week, certainly. Headline news, we're getting some damage, with the debt ceiling, fiscal cliff. All these are, I think, putting a little bit of a scare on the market and on the tape. And quite frankly, we've had a nice rally, so this pullback is due. It's now the fact of where we're going to look to buy some of these things. I am seeing some key stocks, i.e. Apple, even today, Google, break some key moving averages. Google 20-day for the first time. Apple, it already broke its some key moving averages. So you gotta when we lack leadership, you gotta really suspect is this rally in danger in a bigger sense. There's a good possibility, and that's the key. I'm normally not early to that party. I jump on board normally in the 3rd to 5th inning. That's just how it works. So we'll have to see. 2 weeks into it. Maybe you got, but the meat of the move is already done. But overall, there has been some damage done to a lot of these stocks, and then you got to put on your beware cap and be smart. And it's two-way action. We're getting two-way action, and I think with earnings next week, we're going to see some interesting stuff. I think if something comes out and beats earnings, you're going to get some, you're going to get some wild moves. But I think on the other side, if they actually miss, probably going to get some more exaggerated moves to the downside that are a little bit harder, a little bit more percentage-wise. At least that's what I'm seeing based on what I'm looking at. The tape is telling me right now. Hopefully, you had a good week this week. Nothing, not much new to discuss. Obviously, next week's a new week. We'll have to see how it is. We have a slew of earnings to look forward to. I think that's going to dictate. So enjoy your weekend. I'll see you back on Monday.